Hello friends, greetings for the day. Welcome to another session of Excel with Neeraj Singh. Today we will be looking at remove duplicates, which is an option in Excel which helps you to find out the duplicate values in your data and eliminates them. So basically this option will evaluate this range of selection what you have done and would evaluate that how many duplicate value exist and can definitely eliminate all those duplicate values except the unique ones. So say for example, if you have a particular name being repeated 5 times in a particular column, then it would be eliminating the 4 and keeping the first entry of that particular name. So here let's understand how exactly remove duplicates help you. But there's a cautionary message about remove duplicates, that it does not attempt to warn you or give you any kind of information message that these are the duplicate values. It will not highlight, unlike how it goes with conditional formatting. So here it will just eliminate the duplicate values. So let's take a quick example and understand that how remove duplicate works. So here I'm taking a sample data which is about, say for example, the name of the users, and we'll be mentioning some of the names like Alex, James, Elias, Alex again, then Jim, Elias, and maybe another one, say Carter. All right. So now here, if you see, I've got some details of some of the names which or maybe a particular entry about the database where we want to add these information. But it might be possible that at some point of time you would have done a repetition of the entry where you are not supposed to have a repetition which is involved. So all you can do is you need to just select this entire detail and make sure that you would like to eliminate the duplicate entries or remove duplicates. Then just select the entire range which you want to eliminate and go to Data tab, and here you can find something called as remove duplicates, and you can just keep it selected and click on remove duplicates. Now it will just prompt you that is this the column C which you're talking about, the whole column C, because you might have some more data below that. So it is a decision which is made by Excel to define if it's going to be the whole column or the limited number of selection what you have done. So say for example, here it is prompting me that I would like to go with column C, say yes, and then say OK, which most probably will be the name column itself, the whole column you would always like to evaluate. So say OK to that, and as you can see that it has eliminated the 2 duplicate values found and removed. The 5 unique values remain. Now that's very simple to understand, that this option will not prompt you with a kind of highlight stating that these are the duplicate values, would you like to eliminate them? But this option will just eliminate. So just be cautious before using this option whether you would really like to eliminate the duplicates or not. So what I would recommend at this point of time is you can basically go with conditional formatting and then highlight the conditional formatting and see if there are duplicate values, and cross-check, verify them manually if the duplicate values are about 2 different people with the same name, or it is a mistake as duplicate entry of the same person. And then you can come back to this option to pick up the remove duplicates, which will just eliminate that. So that's what is basically called as remove duplicates, which will eliminate your duplicate values from the selected column. So team, here we understood about what exactly remove duplicates are, and obviously this helps you to eliminate your duplicacy in the terms of entering the data. Hope you enjoyed the video and definitely learned something new today. Do comment your queries, doubts, clarifications below so that I can get back to you with more details on the same and get it clarified. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel to get latest updates on the new videos about basic Excels and advanced. To get notified, do not forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you team for watching the video. Happy learning.